Hi guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video I'm going to show you how you can increase your Discord XP level. So guys, in this case I'm gonna straight to Google, and you can see here, write this thing and you can find your answer here directly. Active, participate in chats and voice channels. So you have to be very active in voice channels and chats in the Discord. The easiest and most effective way to gain XP in participating actively in chats and voice channels for serves you to care you the most. Avoid spamming. Do not spam a bit, guys. So yeah, how you can go do this thing, like you can see here's a lot of Discord servers. You can search Discord server and be active there. Just search and join the server and meet the guideline and rules and be active there. Talk to all friends, meet all friends, make new friends, and make conversations, and your XP level will high. Okay guys, so this is how you can make your or increase your XP in Discord. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.